package today from Fashionphile, and I just wanted to show you guys what I got. I'm so excited. I sat and waited for the mailman to actually knock on my door so that I could get what I've been trying to order for a long time. So I did order, of course it's Louis Vuitton, and I ordered a special item, pre-loved. So if you're not used to Fashionphile, this is how they package their items. Very, very cute. And here it says used is the new. Fashionphile.com. So let's go ahead and break into this. And here we are. So before we get to that, they did send me a card also. In the card, it has like a receipt, thank you card, and also with Fashionphile, they will buy back items if you want to sell it back within a certain time period. But of course, I'm not going to do that because I've been wanting this item forever. So here we are. We have my backpack, you guys. I need this backpack for work. I injured my arm because I used to carry my handbag, my doctor bag from Louis Vuitton, and I ended up selling it because it would hurt my arm. So I needed something that I could just carry on my back, and this is what I decided on. So here, this is how it looks, and it came with the little stuffers. And then in the bag, you can kind of see the inside of it. Very nice. What I'm gonna do, whenever I get a pre-loved bag, I always wipe it down. Okay, that's the inside pocket. And then it has like a D-ring. And then you can see the date code here. Made in the year 99. So it's a vintage bag. I believe that's a vintage year. And then it has like this pouch here. And then it has like this little gel freshener. And it has like a couple of little spots in there, but I can get that out. Not a problem. Not too bad. So the zipper is smooth. And let's turn it around. It has a couple of water spots, but I know how to get that out, and I'm not too worried about that. Okay, so it has these two tags. It says once the tag has been removed, this item is yours. No, really, this item may not be returned without this tag attached. And then it has Louis Vuitton Monogram Montessori backpack, and it says this item has been inspected by our team of expert authenticators and is backed by our lifetime guarantee of authenticity. Okay, so we know the bag is authentic. Now, before you remove any tags from a Fashionphile item, you have to make sure that you really want it. Okay, and let's see here. Here are the straps. Pretty clean. Let's go to the bottom. This is the bottom of the bag. You can tell it's been used, but I'm gonna use it anyway, so it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit, and that's that. So that's all. I just wanted to show you my Fashionphile reveal. I have not purchased from Fashionphile in a while, so it was time for me to treat myself, and I got my backpack. And it's pretty big. I almost purchased a medium size, but after looking at different videos and reviews, I went ahead and went with the GM. And of course today the bag is different. It looks different, but I wanted a vintage bag. I love vintage. Something about vintage leather that I love. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions, Let me know, leave them down in the comments, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.